Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figueroa & Associates, and your presenter with a special immigration report. USCIS waives COVID-19 vaccination requirement for adjustment of status to lawful permanent resident applications. As of January 22, 2025, the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, has waived the COVID-19 vaccination requirement for individuals applying for adjustment of status to lawful permanent resident, green card, within the United States. This policy change means that applicants are no longer required to provide proof of COVID-19 vaccination on Form I-693, Report of Immigration Medical Examination and Vaccination Record. USCIS will not issue requests for evidence, RFEs, or notices of intent to deny, NOIDs, based on the absence of COVID-19 vaccination documentation, nor will it deny applications solely for this reason. However, it's important to note that this waiver currently applies only to applicants undergoing the adjustment of status process within the United States. For individuals applying for immigrant visas through consular processing at U.S. embassies and consulates abroad, the Department of State, DOS, has not yet announced a similar waiver. Therefore, the COVID-19 vaccination requirement remains in effect for these applicants. The COVID-19 pandemic has significantly impacted U.S. immigration processes, particularly for those seeking green cards through consular processing. In the early stages of the pandemic, many U.S. embassies and consulates suspended routine visa services, leading to substantial backlogs and delays in scheduling interviews. Although services have gradually resumed, applicants continue to face challenges due to limited appointment availability and ongoing health and safety protocols. The DOS requires all immigrant visa applicants to undergo a medical examination conducted by a panel physician designated by the embassy or consulate processing their application. As part of this examination, applicants must provide proof of certain vaccinations, including the COVID-19 vaccine. Failure to meet these vaccination requirements can result in delays or denial of the visa application. Given the recent USCIS policy change, there is speculation about whether the DOS will implement a similar waiver for consular processing applicants. Such a move could streamline the process for many individuals awaiting interviews abroad. However, until an official announcement is made, applicants should continue to comply with existing vaccination requirements. It's also worth noting that while the COVID-19 vaccination requirement has been waived for adjustment of status applicants within the U.S., other standard vaccination requirements remain in place. Applicants are still required to provide proof of vaccinations for diseases such as polio, measles, hepatitis B, and tetanus. In summary, while USCIS has waived the COVID-19 vaccination requirement for green card applicants within the United States, this change does not currently extend to those applying from abroad. Applicants undergoing consular processing should ensure they meet all existing medical and vaccination requirements to avoid potential delays or denials. As policies continue to evolve, it's crucial for applicants to stay informed through official USCIS and DOS communications.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.